Anyway, there's no burger places open near me, but there's a Taco Bell, and I could ruin my day by eating Taco Bell.
I miss Taco Bell. They don't have a lot in
Taco Bell.
Japan.
I will move to Japan and run my own Taco Bell.
Do it.
I'll go there, Dayo.
What?
Henya will be there every day.
Yeah, I miss Taco Bell so much.
Proudmoore's finest, at your service.
She'll leave the house. Can you believe it?
Yeah, for Taco Bell.
I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Holy.
Bless you.
Oh my gosh, that's like a dad sneeze.
Yep.
I've been working on
Heavenly
them.
for you.
My.
I work on my dad's sneezes.
Bless you,
I was
Dayo.
hoping. Thank you. I was hoping one day I would be able to be a dad.